Okay guys, welcome to my channel YouTube. In this occasion, I want to tell a little about marketing agricultural product during COVID-19 area. But before I continue my video, I hope you subscribe, like, and comment my video because one comment for you increase my value. Okay, before I continue, we must know what is agricultural marketing. Agricultural marketing is business activities where selling product in the form of cultural commodity is in accordance with the need and desire of consumer, with the hope that the consumer will be satisfied with consuming this commodity. The sector agriculture into the hope of new for the economic is not slim in all the line. The Central Statistics Agency or BPS, not sector agriculture. Forestry and fishing still grown 9,46% on the quarter 1 in 2020 comparative to the quarter before. The growth caused the increased domestic demand and the production of horticultura like fruits and vegetables, fishing gears and cultivation, plantation as well as the plant. The agribusiness was admit the existence of an increase in the sale of along with pandemic COVID-19 are defensive in Indonesia since March last. Founder and Chief Executive Officer Sayurbox Amanda Susanti claims sale increase since March. Company e-commerce mentioned not to risk order of 5 times comparative to before the pandemic COVID-19. An increase in most occurred in the vegetables. In the middle of the large-scale social restriction or PSSB, it's released on its own feet in sending its product to consumer. This step makes the distribution of goods do not experience significant interference. The most important thing in order to focus the corona problem though, the economic remains good. Our focus is to see change in consumer behavior later on how business must adapt. Climate change factor affect agricultural product more than coronavirus pandemic. If we look at the corona period, consumers need food, but the price must be affordable. On the other hand, the up down of the price of goods depend on supply and demand. Agribusiness that produce foodstuff such as food crops, horticulture and livestock has the potential to rise in the middle of the COVID-19 pandemic. Not to mention the food deficit still occurs in a number of areas due to disruption of the distribution of goods. Online spending and digitalization will become a new normal activity, affecting the agriculture sector. Therefore, mastery of the internet is the key for farmers, restart development, and agribusiness plan to survive. If it is true that the internet is important, will internet discrimination occur? Will internet discrimination occurs? It's not that they don't have a product cannot enter the market because there is no internet. Especially, many of our villages don't have internet access. National consumption can be reduced. but food consumption is not much reduced. It can even increase because there is a government effort to directly buy food and distribute people who may be victim pandemic. The food crisis has not yet occurred as long as food production is still able to meet people needs, starting from distribute purchasing power. From there were mass growth in food agribusiness don't disturb the supply side. Because of that, integration of food production and consumer system, institutional strengthening of farmer group, and adaptation of modern business such as marketing strategy, product brand, and consumer statement. Okay, thank you for watching my video. I hope my video useful for all of you, and don't forget like and comment my video. Okay, thank you.